Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Community Health Nursing 1 question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR, University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, February 2021. This question paper is exclusively for second year BSc Nursing students. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. So this question paper is Community Health Nursing 1 and it is for second year BSc Nursing students. The question paper code is 339. It is taken from Dr. NTR, University of Health Sciences for 4YDC program, that is BSc Nursing degree program. This question paper is totally for 75 marks. So let's see. In essay, they will be giving 3 questions. Out of those 3 questions, you have to answer any 2 of the following. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. So 1A, what is epidemiology? That is 2 marks. 1B, enumerate the dynamics of disease transmission. That is 6 marks. 1C, explain the epidemiological triad. That is 7 marks. So 2 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 15 marks. Second question, 2A, explain the effects of water pollution, which is 5 marks. 2B, explain about purification of water on a large scale, which is 10 marks. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. Third question, 3A, describe women empowerment, which is 5 marks. 3B, describe the surgical methods of family planning, 7 marks. 3C, list the importance of sex education in schools, that is 3 marks. So 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 15 marks. So out of these 3 questions, you have to answer any 2 questions for essay, and 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. Next, moving on to short notes. So this short notes, they will be giving 7 questions. Out of those 7 questions, you have to answer 5 questions. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. So the fourth question is write the national immunization schedule. Fifth question is discuss about the principles of community health nursing. Sixth question, explain the oral rehydration therapy. Seventh question, define malnutrition. What are the causes and its prevention? That is about malnutrition. You have to write the causes of malnutrition and prevention of malnutrition. Eighth question, describe methods of data collection. Ninth question, define obesity and explain the hazards of obesity. 10th question, Food Adulteration Act. So these 7 questions carries 5 marks. Out of these 7 questions, you have to answer only 5 questions. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Next, moving on to third subdivision, write brief answers. So brief answers means 2 marks questions. So from 11 to 20, 10 questions they will be giving. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. So let's see what is the 11th question. Define holistic health. 12th question, list 4 health problems of elderly. 13th question, differentiate between active and passive immunity. 14th question, mention any 4 arthropod-borne diseases. 15th question, define infant mortality rate. 16th question, give 4 examples of common food adulterants. 17th question, define reservoir. 18th question, enumerate the modes of transmission of malaria. 19th question, list out any 4 causes of iron deficiency anemia. 20th question, define eligible couple. So these 10 questions, there is no choice. You have to answer all the 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks and it is 20 marks. So in first subdivision, you will be having 30 marks. Second subdivision, 25 marks. And in third subdivision, it is 20 marks. So totally, it is 75 marks. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. Also, you can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers for more question paper related videos. If you want to have key for the question paper also, please post in comment section so that in my future videos I will be posting answer key for the solution questions given. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.